In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple invoice template in Microsoft Word. We'll be building a clean, professional invoice layout from scratch using a blank document, and the goal is to create something you can reuse whenever you need to send a bill to a client. This is a great option if you want a straightforward invoice without needing special software. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a blank document. Beginning with a blank page gives you full control over the layout and helps keep the design simple and professional. Before adding any content, it's a good idea to make sure your page looks clean and uncluttered, since invoices should be easy for clients to read at a glance. At the top left of the document, add your business logo if you have one, along with your business contact details. This area usually includes your business name, address, email, and phone number, but when creating a template, you can use placeholder text so the file stays reusable and secure. Keeping this information at the top left makes it easy to identify who the invoice is coming from. On the right side of the same top section, add the client's billing details. This should be formatted clearly so there's a visual separation between your information and the client's information. In a template, you can label this section with placeholders for the client name, company name, billing address, and any other details you normally include. Lining up these two sections across from each other creates a polished, balanced header. Next, go to the Insert tab and choose Table. Create a table with 4 columns. These columns should be labeled Description, Hours or Quantity, Rate, and Total. This table will hold the main billing information, so make sure the headings are clear and easy to understand. The description column should be the widest since it usually contains the most text, while the other columns can be narrower for numbers and pricing. If needed, adjust the column widths so the table looks neat and readable. Below the table, add a summary section for subtotal, tax, and total amount due. This section should be easy to find because it highlights the final amount the client needs to pay. You can place these labels one under another and leave space next to them for amounts. Keeping the summary below the itemized table makes the invoice feel organized and complete. Once everything is in place, save the file as a template. This way, you won't need to rebuild the invoice every time you create a new one. Instead, you can open the template, fill in the details, and save a new copy for each client. That's it. You now have a reusable invoice template in Microsoft Word.